Hi, welcome to the first grade team. My name is Mrs. Johnson. And I'm the K-3 learning support teacher.
Hi, this is Mrs. Torres from room 203, and I'm going to go over our virtual expectations for learning during this time. The first thing is to have a designated spot in the house where your child can complete their work, such as at the dining room table or a small desk. And we're hoping for a quiet space, that way your child can hear the teacher and we can hear them. The next thing I want to go over is during our Zoom time, please make sure that your child doesn't have a toy or any food or pets to distract them during learning. Your teacher will give your child a designated time for breaks where they can get up to get these things. When we're learning, we ask that they're focused at their designated spot. During your virtual learning, please enter with your camera on, your mic off and muted, and your child's teacher will ask them to turn their mic on when it's time for them to speak. Your child may ask you to complete school assignments and go to Schoology. We ask you, if they ask for help, to please just get them to the Schoology site and allow them to complete assignments independently. We look forward to a great year, and thank you.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Bizel, and I'm going to go over some of the math materials everybody should have. Every child should receive 2 math workbooks. One is a practice and problem solving book. It has counters and bears and a 10 frame on it. And the other is an instruction book. They will be using both of these every day, so please keep them in a safe place. They also received a bag full of red and yellow counters and a bag full of linking cubes that we will be using. Your child should have received a clear plastic sleeve, and in the plastic sleeve there's a number bond on one side, and when you looked inside of it there was a 10 frame on the other side. We recently sent home a number path that everyone should have gotten, and you can just slide it right in the plastic sleeve. And we will be using our markers and erasers so they can write just on the sleeve and we'll erase. They also received a whiteboarded marker that we will use during math as well.
Hi, I'm Miss Carr, and I'm the learning support teacher for kindergarten and first grade. So for skills, your student should have been sent home with 6 different items. One skills book that has the number 1 on it. Skills 2 book with the number 2. And then 2 readers. The first one that we just started was snapshots, and then another reader. And lastly, they should have been sent home with an individual code chart that has the codes that we will be learning.
I'm Mrs. Baker, and I'm from room 204. I'm here to talk to you about knowledge. Knowledge is the time where the students are listening to a story, answering comprehension questions, and then they will be using this workbook to do activities in. Recently, we have been working on the human body.
Hi, I'm Miss Aurora. I'm in room 205. I'm here to talk to you about how you can help your child at home. The envelope that was sent home, it had some helpful worksheets in it, like a number bond, your number path, some things that were already mentioned before, like the human body packet that we are working on currently in knowledge. Something else that was in there was your tricky words. So I think it's important to practice those tricky words as much as you can. The more practice, the better. Also important, communicate with your child. Ask them how their day was. If you or your child has a question about anything that they learned, if you need extra help with what we are learning, we have a special time in our day from 2:15 to 2:30. Please contact us about anything. You can message us in Schoology or give us a call here at this school. We are here to help.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Deutschlander. The students call me Mrs. D. I'm in room 201. I just want to show you how to log into the pathways that they do during that 12:30 to 1 time. So I have a student iPad here. I'm going to hold it up close for you. This is the icon that you need to go to for the Amplify, the reading pathway. If you just hold that until all of the other icons wiggle, you can put it right down to that bar so that you know where it's at. Once you click on that, you have to do, first you have to click done up here in the corner. And then you tap on that and it'll take you right to the Amplify. And it's already logged in. When you get there, you're going to see a login that says log in with Amplify or log in with Clever. You want to log in with Clever. When you go through the Clever, you only have to type in the student's lunch number, which is the same thing you do for iReady. So you type that into both the top and the bottom space, and then it'll take you right to Amplify. The other is iReady. That's the math pathway, and it's the little block. So you just tap on that, and then you get this, and you put in the lunch number for your child twice, the top bar and the bottom bar. So we'd like the children to spend about 30 minutes on that each day.
I'm Miss Stahl. I teach ESL for first grade, fourth grade, and kindergarten. And I'm going to share my screen and show you how to get to the parent resource folder in case you need to reference it. So you're just going to go to Schoology. I'm going to show you in courses. If you go to your homeroom, students' homeroom, which I'm going to show you through Mrs. D's, over here on the left side of the screen where it says materials, click on that and go down to the orange folder that says parent resources. There is a calendar on here that shows you the specials that they have, the schedule for the day, directions for a student login, iReady family guide, and there's a video. If you click on this last one, it's a link to show how you put your name in Zoom.
First,
Grade.
Wishes.
All.
Great.
Here.